So what's happening, Driver Squad? It's your boy
Go.
Chaseway back with another
Search
video.
Chaseway.
I'm here for a review on the Flynit trainers that I had picked up. I think it's called, dang, I looked it up, it's Citron or something like that. I really don't know the official name, but it's some yellow shoes. I said yellow shoes, but it's some yellow Flynit trainers. Bright, Citron. Yeah, Citron. Oh, it's right here on the box. I went to Rock City Kicks, and I guess they got an indie music night. Shout out to Rock City Kicks, and I guess Rock City Kicks sponsored them. It's gonna be in Little Rock. I guess going to go to Rock City Kicks page or whatnot. But shout out to them for letting me purchase this pair. This was $150. I guess let me change the camera angle so y'all can see the shoes and watch this unboxing real quick. I'm gonna give y'all another perspective on the shoes. It come with a different shoelace. It come with some black shoelaces. I didn't know that. It's pretty windy outside, so the boxing papers beat me up right now. But these are what the Flynit trainers look like. The bright Citron. Yeah, Citron. I said Citron. I want to say that so bad. This what they look like. Pretty clean, nice little yellow spring colorway. Perfect for the springtime. I really wanted them 98s, but Rock City Kicks had these, and I was like, yeah, I always wanted these, and I tried them on, and in my POV 2, I believe. Yeah, my POV 1. I went to Rock City Kicks and picked these up, and I tried them on, and I enjoyed them, but I just can't wait to wear them and rock them with an outfit. I guess, nah, I ain't gonna put them on. I ain't gonna put them on yet. I ain't gonna undead stock them yet, cause I already tried them on. Y'all just gotta go see that video. Oh, there go the paper. Am I about to chase it? No, I don't think so. I ain't trying to be littering out here. But I feel like I can get some more shots in. So I'm gonna try to get some more shots in so y'all can see. I mean, I gave it a little 360, but quick review unboxing for y'all. Not too special, none too much, none hype beast. I guess I grown away from being a hype beast, but I think I'm gonna end it like that. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to Chaseway, be part of that Driver Squad, and I'll see y'all in another video. I'm gone. I about to say peace. Let me retake that. Chaseway is out this thing, and I'm out of here. Peace. Let me retake that. Let me see if I want to do something different. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. And Chaseway is out this thing. Peace. There we go. I like that way better.